So the audio cut out for anything in my phone, so I have to do a voiceover. Here's the introduction with me, Ian, and Amanda. We cut out Ian's head as like a joke because he's tall. We decided to make lasagna for our project. Here are our ingredients. We have some frozen spinach, ground turkey as a healthier alternative to beef, and our two cheeses we used were like grated Parmesan, like a little bit of it, and some shredded mozzarella. For our sauce, we used onion, which will be shown later, garlic, a little bit of marinara sauce, some crushed tomatoes, and carrots. We used whole grain pasta instead of normal stuff because it's like a healthier alternative. And you can see the onion now. Yeah, that's the onion we used. And here is the ingredients for the salad that we chose as our side dish. We used a cucumber, mixed lettuces, and cherry tomatoes. Ian ate the tomato because it disappeared. For our salad dressing, we used olive oil, vinegar, water, and a little bit of 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Now, for cooking the meat, you don't want to cook it all the way because you're still going to put it in the oven with the rest of it once it's all put together. So you just put a little bit of oil in the pan, not enough to fill it to the bottom, they'll fill the entire bottom. Otherwise, it'll get too oily and it'll be gross. And no one likes oily meat because it's not fun and no one likes it. That happened. I don't remember what that was. Then I just don't make the same mistake I did. Pour in the turkey at a smaller distance from the pan because the oil will fly. Learn that one. So then you just mash up the turkey until it gets little chunks, and you cook it till it's lightly brown. It won't take that long. And now if you zoom out like that, you can see Amanda next to me. She put the pasta into the boiling water that we previously boiled, and she's putting it in there, and it cooks a little bit just to soften it, and cook it slightly, not all the way through, because that's still the job of the other, the oven stuff. And now you can see Ian cut the vegetables, which is specifically just the onion because we didn't get any of the other footage. But here is how the meat should look once it's done being prepared. You have to put the spinach in it. We didn't get footage of that. You pour your crushed tomatoes into it.
And water.
Then you add a little bit of water.
Agua.
Inside of the can of crushed tomatoes. Then you stir again. Now we do assembly. You start with a scoop of the sauce in the base.
2 scoops.
Wait, hold on. Wait.
Actually,
Let's move
2
it so that they
scoops.
can see the pan. Because they can't.
And then you spread it out. Pasta. You're going to eat it. I don't trust you.
For this
way.
we have 5 pieces. Yeah, 4 pieces.
Alright, I didn't even see that there was a whole other
3.
layer of this.
Okay.
Says no one ever.
Oh. Then you put in miate. Around half of the pot because we're doing 2 layers.
She's not our friend. That's good.
Then you add
Parmesan.
cheese. This is Parmesan, finely shredded because it's cool.
You gotta add the shredded.
Shred.
That's
You put some in the
cheese.
corners. Don't miss a
Yeah.
spot.
You gotta get it everywhere, alright? You can't just.
Every area. Get the crevices.
You gotta get
Get
the
up in there.
cheese thing.
Then you put some cheese over here. Then a tad bit of mozzarella.
Oh, it's horrible.
Mozzarella, for those of you who don't speak. Ooh. Now you add another layer of sauce.
And now we put another layer of pasta.
The
Now we
rest-
add another layer of meat. And now we put the mozzarella.
Last layer of pasta.
It's a pasta.
Shut.
Ian, shut.
I'm not gonna finish this song, alright?
Bleh. Okay,
Okay.
now we put one last layer of sauce.
Salad.
Okay, now we put cheese on top of the sauce, and then we put it in the oven.
And now we put it in the oven for a half hour, which is
Pasta.
400 degrees.
Fahrenheit or Celsius?
Fahrenheit.
Don't cook it at Celsius 400. Now that the lasagna has been cooking for 30 minutes, it should look like this. Now that the lasagna has had a chance to rest, it has cooled down a bit, so it is safe for human consumption. Now Ian's gonna taste test it first. Look at those godly cutting skills.
Don't judge me.
His nose is just in the corner. How it tastes in there, sir. High quality. Next up, Amanda. Amanda, how does it taste?
Tastes fine.
Right. Now I'm gonna eat it and give a normal response. Like a human. I'm not good at cutting.
Commence to stop that.
It's good. Okay, how's the salad taste?
Fine.